Cornelius, North Carolina, pressure washing. If you are searching for top-rated pressure washing in Cornelius, North Carolina, this video covers everything you need to know about choosing the right service provider, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. We take pride in our attention to detail when it comes to pressure washing homes in Cornelius, North Carolina, ensuring every surface is clean and safe. Our team uses only top-quality equipment designed specifically for residential properties, minimizing damage to your home's exterior while effectively removing dirt and grime. We understand the importance of protecting your investment by using eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for your family, pets, and the environment in Cornelius, NC area homes. Gutter and downspout cleaning is an essential part of our pressure washing services, ensuring proper water flow and preventing costly damage to your home's foundation and landscaping. By partnering with us, you can trust that our team will be available on short notice to tackle any exterior cleaning projects that come up throughout the year in Cornelius, North Carolina neighborhoods. We've honed our pressure washing techniques to effectively tackle tough grime and mildew in Cornelius, North Carolina warm weather, ensuring a safe and reliable cleaning experience for homeowners. Our team is well-versed in navigating complex yard layouts, navigating around sensitive plants, gardens, and other obstacles to deliver precise results every time. With expertise in concrete cleaning, our team can remove stubborn stains, grease, and grime that other methods may leave behind, restoring the appearance of driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Regular maintenance with us helps prevent costly repairs down the road by clearing out debris, leaves, and tree sap from gutters, ensuring proper water flow and preventing foundation damage. By incorporating our pressure washing services into your seasonal routine, you can protect your property's exterior and interior surfaces from weathering, fading, and discoloration, maintaining its curb appeal. Our team in Cornelius, NC takes pride in doing every job to the highest standard, ensuring complete customer satisfaction with every pressure washing service we offer locally. We understand that homeowners in Cornelius, North Carolina, and surrounding areas want to keep their outdoor spaces clean and safe for family and friends, which is why our team strives for consistency in every cleaning task. By serving customers in Lake Norman and beyond, our team aims to build trust and reputation through reliable workmanship, quick response times, and fair prices without sacrificing quality. Regular pressure washing can save you time and money by removing dirt, grime, and damage caused by mildew and mold, keeping your property looking its best over time. If you were looking for pressure washing in Cornelius, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can provide free estimates and schedule your cleaning today with our reliable and affordable services. Click the link below to learn more